So let's see how we can draw a duck from our hand. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to take a pencil and a sheet and obviously your hand. So what you have to do, you have to take your left hand and you have to place it in the center like this. Okay. Now with the help of pencil, trace your hand like this properly. And you have to close it from here. Okay. Now remove your hand. See, this is ready. Now take an eraser and erase this part little bit. Now give it a curve like this. Nice. Now see, draw a little bit of line here, join it here and a smaller portion here. Draw a small circle here. Now we will draw duck's eye. Nice. See, your duck is almost ready. Draw some lines for feathers like this and obviously water. Nice. You can draw some margins also, as we draw in every painting we make. Like this. Okay, this is done. Now we will take one black marker or black sketch and we will color this eye part and we will make some boundaries. Like this. Afterwards you will erase all the pencil lines. Okay, see, this is ready. Now you can give some more waves here for water. Now with the help of eraser, erase all the lines with very light pressure. Okay, remove the residue. Nice. Now take crayon colors or whatever colors you have. Take blue color, dark blue color and give it a shade in water first of all. Make sure you don't come out of the lines. Now take sky blue color and fill all the gaps. Like this. So our water part is ready, right? Now take some orange color first of all and shade in its beak. Okay. Now take some yellow color and color in the duck. Make sure you don't leave gaps. Whenever we color crayons or oil pastel colors, we don't leave gaps. आई वाले पार्ट में नहीं करना है आपको, ओके? ओनली आउटसाइड आई. So it's almost done. Remove the residue. Now take some orange color and you can shade a little bit here in the feather part. Like this, okay? Now again with sky blue color you can draw some clouds like this directly from the color. You don't need to draw it first with a pencil. take some white color and smudge it a bit. You can draw some lines here also with white sometimes. Now take dark green color. If you want, you can draw some bushes here or plants here. Okay. So your duck is ready. Now take black sketch and write here topic duck. Nice. So now it's your turn to prepare your own duck. All the best.